Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milano Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work as this machine required a new control box, the one that you see right here, a new boiler pressure gauge. This one is the older one, it was not working properly. We replaced the pressure stat as well and just fixed a couple of leaks that were inside the machine. We descaled this machine thoroughly to make sure that the hot water one was not clogged, as well as the steamer. We also deep cleaned the E61 group head as it was very dirty too. So yeah, we did a lot of work with this machine. So let's test it out. Starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully we got the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Apologies for that. This actually moves a little bit, vibrates a little bit, as you can see. But once you set it up, it does not vibrate. I probably need to really tamper a bit harder on this espresso shot. As you can see, it's pouring out very fast, and it barely did any crema. So it is definitely my temp. But we're gonna, yes, I probably should put a little bit more coffee and tamper a little bit more harder just to get that extra layer of espresso, of crema that we should have gotten with this shot. As you can see, we just got a little bit, still a good shot, but on the fast side. Now for the steamer, as you can see, it's doing extremely well, having great pressure coming out of the one. Really wonderful, almost burning my hand there, perfect. And for the hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Isomac Milano working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.